Welcome to the video, where we're tackling a pesky problem with a script involving Windows Media Player and Spotify. The issue lies in the script not working as intended, even though there are no visible errors. We're aiming to trigger a global shortcut, R-Control plus arrow, when pressing an arrow key if either WMP or Spotify is focus. Sounds simple, right? Let's dive into the solution to this tricky problem. In the solution provided, we can simplify the script significantly. By binding the left arrow key to media_previous and the right arrow key to media_next, we can directly control the previous and next track functions without involving additional tools like PowerToys. This streamlined approach ensures smoother functionality and eliminates unnecessary complexity. Problem solved, right? Building on the previous solution, we can further enhance the script by using conditional hotkeys specific to when WMP or Spotify is active. Utilizing hashtag #IfWhenActive, awk_exe1player.exe, when active, awk_exe Spotify.exe. We can restrict the key bindings to only work within these music player applications. This fine-tuned adjustment ensures that the shortcuts are contextually relevant, providing a more seamless user experience. And, just like that, the solution becomes even more tailored and efficient. In summary, we've successfully addressed the initial problem with the script by optimizing the key bindings for control within Windows Media Player and Spotify. By leveraging media_previous and media_next along with conditional hotkeys, we've streamlined the functionality and enhanced user control over track navigation. I hope you found this troubleshooting journey helpful and insightful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment down below. Remember, music is the best companion on any problem-solving quest.